1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Till one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. Whoa, you've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform it up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform it up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. They get you down, but you get up. They let you drown, but you don't stop. You show your fear.